I'm Mr. X, and you're watching Adventures of Mr. X. Today's video, we got a simple flat tire repair on a Trek mountain bike. Me and my son were out riding bike on a couple days ago, and we're going off some sweet jumps, and I was running my tires pretty low for traction. You know, most mountain bikers do that. Got a simple flat tire in the tube, you know, so gonna teach you how to do it. Oh, there's a little Mr. X, but still pretty simple. You pop this off, you know, loosens up the tension. You spin this off. Once the thread's all the way out, you can just pull it out and the tire will be free. There it is. And it's as simple as popping out, just like that. Alrighty. And I already got the bead popped on this one side here, which one step you'll have to do. But then you just kind of work it around. Start by the valve stem first. Okay. Usually just get it with your hands, but they also have little spoons you can use. But it's pretty simple. Helps if you pop the other side a little bit there. Tighten it a little bit. There we go. There you go, I got it started. Alright. Pop it. There we go. Got the whole one side of the tube bead popped. Okay. Now we're going to loosen the valve stem. Hey Troy. There's a tube box over there. Can you go grab it for me, please? I'm going to pop the old tube out. Pull it out. Just like that.
Ready?
Little Mr. X gave this to me here. Got the new tube. Okay, we'll start in the same spot we started here. So starting the valve stem area first. Put that in. Okay, and then you just work the tube around so it's all the way in. Craig, can grab, hey, Mr. X, can you grab that bike pump there for me? Okay. And screw on the nut. And we'll inflate this tube up before we start putting the bead back on. It's always nice to get a nice quality bike pump. This one, it can do both styles of valves. You can see that's the regular standard size. Oh wait, that's the Schroeder. It's the style of valve stem. That's for this side, and then the other side is for regular valve stems. So get it changed out, switched over, and don't forget to open up your valve. There's this little like lock nut style, so it doesn't lose your pressure. Loosen that up. All you do is screw it on. Alright, it's tight. Hey, little Mr. X, want to pump this up for me? There you go. Give it a couple pumps. Yep. Okay, stop. Stop. Perfect. Now just checking to make sure the tube is where I want it to be. The tube is perfect. One little twist there. Try to get all the little twists out if there's any twists. Alright. They're all out. Okay, we'll pop this off for a little bit here. And then, so if this is really hard for you, just add a little lube here. But should be able to get it pretty easy. Just start on the opposite side of the valve stem first. Opposite side, and work the tire tube, or the bead of the tire back in. And keep going on both sides. Just keep working it in all the way back to where the valve stem is. And that will be the tightest point. Now I can see it's starting to get a little tighter. Just make sure you have some space down there. Just pull it up. There it is. She's back in. See? Simple. Alright, now you got all that done. Now you just gotta pump it up. Pump it up! Alright, little Mr. X, you wanna come pump this tube up for me? Please and thank you. Alright, can you pump it up, please? Try to get it to that gauge. Yep. And as the tube is expanding, you'll be losing some air here. So you want it to keep losing. So get the air out in between the tube and the tire. Keep going, bud. While you're pumping that up, I'm going to put this back on. Slide it right back through here. Doing good. Doing good, little man. I think we're all pumped up, bud.
Hey, that was fast.
Yep. And that's how you change out inner tube. Super easy. Thanks for watching. Remember, I'm Mr. X. That's little Mr. X. And you were watching Adventures with Mr. X. See you next time.